Alright, what's the crack, lads and lasses? Your boy Night Rider 91 back here with another video on the Stunt Grom today. Going to a potential spot with the missus so she can learn how to ride and I can do some wheelie practice and hopefully not get kicked out by the guards.
Yesterday.
But this is the Grom anyway. 2014 Honda MSX 125, get it for stunt. I have the 12 o'clock bar with the pegs. Already has the rear brake set up, different gearing, not sure what it is, crash bars, axle bar, hipper bars. So yeah.
24 hours later.
This bike is mad, I love it. And these mirrors are shut. Some rain clouds coming in as well. Be ideal if it wasn't raining. More of a scope out mission. Alright, so here's closed, nice. Closed as well, not open. If we get kicked out, we get kicked out. Too aggressive with the throttle. Well, so much going on, I don't know. Nice, using the rear brake finally. Probably just has traction in the rain. I think there I was dragging my toe instead of my whole foot. Nice. Nice, okay. I didn't jump off. That was good. Nice, caught it there with the rear brake. Nice, okay. Noise. Are you recording me every time, yeah? It's good to have videos of outside. I can see what I'm doing wrong. Still not making that connection with the rear brake though. That's the only thing. Okay, that was rear brake, grand if I fell. Louis one, brother. Oh, that was balance point. Oh, that was very high up in the balance point. Normally I think I jump off or loop it. I'm trying to remember the back brake. Not bad. Nice, that was rear brake. Jeez, but the difference between that and having your both feet up is crazy. Nice, go leave it there. I'll count that as progression. Yeah, we'll count that as progression. It's getting worse, rain wise. Don't see any guard, it's good. I don't think I annoyed anybody. I'm soaked, so we'll call that a success. Yeah, I'm happy enough with that. The last time we went out for a wheelie practice, myself and Black Jigsaw, I had the GoPro settings wrong, so it was recording in cinematic, not point of view. That ended up in me crashing this thing, so I looped it, but I didn't loop it like I normally do. Like today, I just threw the bike away from me and it slammed into one of the curves and into the front wheel, so that was not a good look. And then the guards came. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks everyone for watching. Probably learned absolutely nothing from it, but it is what it is, and I'll catch you at the next one. Bye.